Welcome back to another video here on Anth.Tech, and in this one we're going to be taking a look at WordPress. So like I said before, we're going to be taking a look at WordPress and how much better it actually is, especially compared to something like Wix, Weebly, or Squarespace, or any other drag and drop builder. So first off, let's start with what WordPress exactly is. So now first you're going to have your domain hosted through either GoDaddy or HostGator or any other hosting service. If you're currently connected to Wix, Weebly, or Squarespace, I would definitely convert those over to GoDaddy, as GoDaddy is going to be the best one for speed and everything else. From there, from GoDaddy, you're going to want to purchase either the Pro WordPress hosting or regular WordPress hosting, and that's going to get you your WordPress in your dashboard, so that way everything can be hooked up like that. Now WordPress is mainly code based, but there are plugins that do let you add drag and drop, and I did say plugins as there's a ton of them that you can download on WordPress. So let's go and hop into the WordPress dashboard on my computer for my website. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys around the WordPress dashboard, how you can add pages, how you can add custom pages, and all the different plugins and speed optimization that is available on WordPress. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So here is the homepage for the Anth.Tech website, and as you can tell when scrolling down, there's a nice parallax going on up in the navigation bar, and then here's some most recent videos, my about page, and then below that's going to be the footer, and then the bottom footer. And heading over to the WordPress dashboard, and here's where we're going to spend most of your time. Over here in the left column, we have some quick stats. Here I can see online users, visitors, and visits of today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, last 365 days for a year, then also total. And then in here some graphs, I can see IP addresses, I can see anything that has access to the website, including search engines. Over here I have pretty links, and here I can add a target URL, and then here I can customize this code to whatever, and I can click create. That way it's kind of cool, so I can just say Anth.Tech/Twitter, and it'll forward you into Twitter, which does exist. Here is my WooCommerce, I can track sales. MailChimp, that's going to be for the monthly newsletter, which I don't really use, and that's only why I have 3 subscribers on the mail list. Here's the Clear Cache for me. This will speed up the website, so about every day or two I'll run this, and also your Yoast SEO, that way I can appear here on Google. Now over here on the left side, here's where you're going to get your main management, so like WPMU developer, post, media, pages, comments, portfolio gallery, etc. And here's going to be all your plugins down below. Heading over to the Pages tab, and here I can see obviously all my pages, and then I can see the tag, the author is going to be me. So here's going to be the pages, and if anything with this either red or blue tag, it's going to be because it's involved in the WordPress Membership Pro software that I use. It's actually a plugin that I use for all the different premium features. So if I want to edit here my homepage, I click the edit button. Okay, so here we are in the editing menu, and if I go ahead and select like a video like this, as you can see, I can pretty much drag it around and put wherever I want, and that way it makes it really easy. And if I want to change the video, all I do is click on it, and then here's going to be the embedding code that I grabbed from Google. So I'm going to go and click cancel since there's nothing to change. But this is going to be the drag and drop feature, which is like I said before, this is mainly going to be code based, but there is a plugin like I clicked on before, that page builder, which will allow you to use drag and drop, which is really good, as I don't know anything about code. So in here I can pretty much change anything. It's all drag and drop, so that's really cool that you can do it. Now once you're done, you're going to click the done button, and then you can either discard, save draft, or publish. So I'm going to go ahead and say publish, and then it's going to publish it obviously to your homepage or whatever page you are editing. Next up, going to the plugins tab, and here I can see all my active plugins that I use. And as you can tell, I've got quite a few, but these are all to make the website a little bit better and a little bit faster. So that's what all these plugins are going to do. Now here's going to be the Ultimate Membership Pro plugin that I use, and here I can see I have 11 users. The top level is the per month, 22 total transactions, and then $2 USD is the most active one, which is the monthly plan. So in here I can change the levels if I click on this. So here you can see the per month, per year, and also the lifetime plan, and then their prices and anything like this. So I can see billing type is a payment, reoccurrence is ongoing, that way it automatically renews, and then here's the short code that I can paste into each thing, but I just use their showcase, which I'll show you here in a second. So here we are in the showcases tab, and in here I can take a look at the register form, login form, subscription plan, account page, and also the members list. I'm going to go ahead and head into the register form. That way I can show you this one, and it does have a little bit more options. So here we are, and I can change how it looks in the template. So I can change anything in here, and I currently like this one. And as you can tell, the register button is red, and that is done with CSS code here at the bottom. And you need to gonna have this if you want to change any colors, because everything is standard. I think the standard one is blue, so I changed that to red with CSS. Here we have some more different controls I can run, and I can see when there's a new subscriber, it runs under subscriber, not admin or anything like that. So it will give them a subscriber right to the website and everything like that, which would grant them access to the paid subscription. And then here's also the I'm not a robot. That way no hackers, anything can get in. So there are a ton of options up here like users, ultimate affiliate, levels, payment services, inside lockers, and etc. So this plugin is very in-depth and very capable, and I do use pretty much every feature, and that's Membership Pro. Heading over to the next plugin that I use a lot. Here is the WPMU plugin. Now this one is packed ton of different plugins that you can use. Now there is a monthly fee of $49.99, so $49.99, and this will grant you access to all of these plugins, and there are just a ton of them that can really make your website pretty cool and also pretty modern. So in here, I'm only using this many themes right here. So I currently have the dashboard, that's one. Hummingbird Pro is for speed. Snapshot Pro is for backups. Smush Pro is going to be for images. And then Smart Crawl is going to be for Google and appearing up top. Ultimate Branding is going to be using custom code on the website in different red colors. Then also Pop-Up Pro, there's something that you see when you launch a website like mine. So here's the website. If I go ahead and reload this page, that way you can see the pop-up. So there's the pop-up right there. As you can tell, it kind of swung in. And you can click sign up here if you want to sign up, or also click the X and it'll barrel roll off to the side. So that's all done within this Pop-Up Pro. Okay, that's going to wrap up the video about WordPress. And the links to WordPress.org and .com will be down below. And also GoDaddy's WordPress, either pro hosting or also just regular WordPress hosting. Both of those links will be down below, so go and check those out. Also, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to smash the like button down below, as that really helps us out. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to subscribe to the Anth.Tech premium subscriber portal, which is a plugin powered by WordPress, so that's kind of cool. If you do subscribe to that, use code YouTube, and that will get you your first month for free. And on there, you're going to get early videos like this, and then also paid-only content that will only appear in that portal. That's going to wrap up the video, and as always, stay classy.